Alright, good morning everybody. It's Brad here at Drone Dependence. Today I'm at I'm at Bayview Park. And I'm not droning right now. I'm actually using my CyberShot Sony. It's a great little camera with a fold-out screen, and you can angle it toward yourself so you can see yourself videotaping yourself. How many times can I say yourself? But anyway, we're at Bayview Park, and I want to do a little video about a beehive that we found, and it's really cool. It's up in this tree, and I'm not sure what kind of bees they are, but it's a pretty big hive, and I wanted to make a quick video. Sorry, I'm not alone right now, and someone's bothering me. So I'm going to turn the camera away from me and up to the beehive. And let me zoom in on it. A little bit too much. But that's it right there. It's a pretty big. It's been in this tree for maybe like, I don't know, since Sunday, I know. I'm back up a little bit. Zoom in. There we go. So it's pretty cool. Let me zoom back out. Alright. Zoom back in again. But yeah, look at all those bees. I'm sorry I'm so shaky. But yeah, there are a lot of bees up there. Amazing. So yeah, this is a Bayview Park, and it's a really nice place. The groundskeepers are really nice here. They do a great job, and they're really nice. It's a great friendly area. And yeah, it's a fun place to be. Ballpark, playground, walking path. There's like 3 baseball fields up here. So yeah, Bayview Park in Fort Lauderdale. And I'm here with the bees. So, there we go. Everyone have a great day, a great Tuesday. It is September 10th, 2019. And my beard is growing. I need to get it trimmed. Everyone take care, and peace. Have a good day. Like and subscribe. And I appreciate all the followers. I don't know why I have them, but you guys just take care. And have a good one. Ciao. If I can turn this thing off. Alright. Ciao.